Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat chef. But right now, I'm a landlubber. So today, I am doing for Cast Iron Wednesday. Here, let me show you what I'm going to be fixing. Alright, be right back. Okay, here's all the ingredients. Can you tell what I'm making? Probably could if I showed you that. Alright, it's going to have a little bit of paste picante, a little bit of guacamole salsa, a little bit of queso, some shredded cheddar cheese also. I know, 2 kinds of cheeses. And this is the Mexican style 4-cheese blend. Now, it's green onions, chorizo, beef chorizo, eggs. Well, when you know it, blooper. I had it upside down. Okay. And I'm not fixing it on a fried tortilla. No, I'm putting it on a fried flatbread. No, so you cut it in half. It's a folded bread, like that. But I'm cutting it in half, and I'm going to kind of like deep fry it and make it into a tostada. So let's get together and let's go from there, okay? Be right back. Okay folks, I got some coconut oil in this due to the fact because of my diet. So I need to watch what type of oils I use. And coconut oil seems to be working best for my system. So I'm getting it hot enough to do these flatbreads. Oh, it's so good. They're so good for everything. Even peanut butter and jelly. And as soon as I get it hot enough to where it can do a nice crisp on each side, so we're going to get started here. And it should be any moment. Come on now. Best way to test if anything's ready with oil is it snapping? Oh, it sure is. Just splash some water in there. There we go. I want to make these crispy, so that it'll take a few moments. So let me get my tongs. Once I get these crispy, I'll put them on the plate. Of course, with a paper towel on it. I'm kind of doing this after work, so I'm kind of a little bit going, okay, what do I need to do next? What do I need to do next? No, so I'm not working over at the restaurant. And I'm decorating cakes, cupcakes, doing cookies. And that's in between when I'm not working on the boat. So today was my first day. I enjoyed it a lot. Found out that, did you know that June is not the main wedding month anymore? It's October. So I didn't know that. But supposedly there's a lot of people that get married in October. I think up here at North due to the fact because they want to do the outside venue and be able to get the fall colors. These are almost crispy enough. When they stop bubbling, that means they're done. Maybe. But it's almost there. Alright. There's one done. There's the other. Alright, let me get the other stuff going and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody. Now we're going to start with the chorizo. You're going to hear a lot of splatter here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Get that cooking. Yep, I got a little too high there. Let me turn this down. Now, everybody says, that's a breakfast item. Who says you can't have breakfast for supper? Now, why does it only have to be for breakfast? Nope. Sorry, this girl likes Mexican food. no matter for breakfast, lunch, or supper. No. I like lots of food, but yeah, I would say Mexican and Cajun food are my favorite. Alright, that's getting pretty warmed up there. Now we're going to do the eggs. Right inside there. Now I probably have enough to do both of these, but I may only eat one. My appetite with this diet I'm on, I should say my stomach's probably shrinking. No, I keep that over there. I keep the coconut oil to stir with it, not in it. No. Oh, gotta cut some onions here real quick. Oh, no, I love these things in there. Now, green onions is the bomb. Here we go. Get that sauteed in there. There we go. Now, then I'll mix that right in there with the chorizo and eggs. I love this stuff. It is so good. Almost done here in a second. Now, I don't like my eggs well done to where they taste like rubber. So, guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this thing off. And I'm going to plate up, I'm going to show you how I plate up the flatbread here. Alright, be right back. Okay, people's going to think I do this a little bit backwards. What I do is I take the cheese, as soon as I open it up, I put it on the bottom and it helps stick everything to this flatbread. I don't need much because cheese is fattening. But I do like the flavor of cheese. You know, I'm not on some strict diet. Oh no, you can't have that. But I am on a, what do you call, limited diet. That's what I can't have. Let me get a bigger spoon here. I gotta go around the camera. So bear with me. Hopefully I don't knock over the camera. Yikes. If a lot of you don't know, I live in a fifth wheel. So setting up the camera on a tripod in a fifth wheel sometimes can be a little rough while you're trying to cook. No, I do not have any slide out, so I don't have a lot of room there. Okay? There's one. And there's two. Okay. Now, this is when we get to the... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I need a strong man. I think I got it, though. Add a little bit of cheese on top in the center. So it'll melt away. Con queso cheese. Is it con queso? Yep. Salsa con queso. There you go. There's that. Yeah, I know. I'm the only one that's going to be eating, so whatever gets stuck in there, gets stuck in there. Trust me, I'll eat it later. A little bit, whoops, let me shake up this. A little bit of guacamole salsa. Ooh, don't this look good already? I know my hand's in the way. I'll move it in a second. Can you see it so far? Let me see if I can zoom in. Whoops, wrong way. Let me bring it up a little bit more. Uh-oh. Remember, y'all just gonna bear with me while I'm learning this camera and how these legs work on this tripod and how I can get this to focus in. Big blooper. Oh my God, it's going worse and worse. There it comes. Doesn't that look like it's a fried egg on top that way? And a little bit of salsa. There we go. There we go. Guess what? It's a taste test. Be right back. Okay, here we go. Hold on. God, don't that look good? Nice. Let's see if I can cut it. Oh yeah, here we go. A little bit of that queso cheese on it. Ooh. Yep. Oh my God. It's fantastic. Hold on. Remember I said I may only eat one? I think I may eat one on the camera and then close down and sit down and eat the rest. Come on, come off there. Ooh, get some onion on there too. See that onion? That queso has just enough kick to it, along with these salsas. Oh my God, really good. Well, I hate to see everybody keep watching me eat. It's going to drool on me here in a minute. I want to thank you all for watching me do this Cast Iron Wednesday. Check out my playlist. I have cast iron. It'll be up in this corner here. There's a lot of cast iron cooks out there. Now, so native Tearz, her name is Dee. She's first started this, but we just check out my list. You'll see everybody that gets involved in this. I know I don't have everybody, but these are the people that I follow, and I recommend you all go check out their videos on some of the things that they cooked up. I got them in that playlist, and if you're not subscribed to them, go ahead. Tell them Saucy sent you. Oh boy. See, I told you I was going to drool. Hold on. Oh boy. Yep. Here we go. Let's hope that just didn't just screw up everything. Is that a big blooper or what? I can't see on the other side till I stop this video. Oh my God. New camera issues. Along with spitting. I told you the food would be going in and out of my mouth. I hate talking when I'm eating. Anyways, check everybody out. They are great to watch. Now, so they cook up some damn good stuff. Yeah, I said stuff. Yeah, I almost said other words. I want you all to have a great day, and I want to thank all of you for supporting this channel. If you're a new person to this channel, click on subscribe. Click on that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And hit a like on it. But if you don't like it, you know what? Just let me know. Hit a thumbs down. Leave a comment and let me know what you didn't like about it. Alright? You all have a great and wonderful evening. Peace out! Guess what? This is take 2. The other one all you saw was... You only see this? Pardon me, until I did this. I'm hoping you see this. So, you know, these are going to have a lot of bloopers due to the fact, with this camera, I've got to get used to where I stand. I got to remember the zoom in and the zoom out and make sure it's in the center. No, it's, I've got to remember all this. So, you're going to see a few bites out of this. But, let me see if you can see it. I hope you can. I mean, it's good food. No, it really is. I've already been eating on it. No, so, here, we're going to take a test again. No, so just in case to get it on the other one. Cheers! Oh, yeah. Oh, here. I'm sorry. I gotta have another one. I'll try not to spin it on the lens this time. With that Hawaiian sweet flatbread, oh my God, it gives it like the sweet and spicy. Oh, it's perfect. Well, I'm going to play this, the previous one. So I've already said goodbye to you. No, so I already said thank you to everyone. But again, I want to say goodbye again. Well, this time I'm going to do it Mexican style. Bye, Uncle Dios. Ole.